Hello, I'm Advocate Joey, and today I'd like to introduce you to one of the most transformative tools I've come across in my professional journey, LiquidText. LiquidText is a revolutionary reading and note-taking app designed for professionals who work with complex documents. Whether it's legal case files, contracts, research papers, or business reports, LiquidText transforms the way you engage with information. As a legal professional, I deal with thousands of pages weekly. With LiquidText, I can instantly extract what's important, organize my thoughts visually, and prepare better. Without the clutter, it's more than a PDF reader. It's a thinking space, a smart workspace that lets your ideas flow freely. With LiquidText, your notes are no longer separate from your content. They're integrated.